That's Pattaya by night from the Pattaya viewpoint. It's a Tuesday evening, late March, here in Pattaya. I wanted to start with this fantastic view of Pattaya Bay. This evening I'm going to drive you from the top of here, down the Monte Carlo bend. If you know Plaza, you know what I'm talking about. Fabulous little bend, a little bit dangerous, on my bike, down through the area where all the Indians stay, and then we'll finish at the Royal Garden Plaza, and that's your tour of Pattaya for the evening. There's a lovely cafe on this viewpoint. Look at that. And there are the views. I remember the first time I ever come to Pattaya, and I'd never ridden a motorbike, and my brother took me up this bend, and I hadn't seen anything quite like this. I have since, mind. Koh Chang jumps to mind. All the roads are like this. It's a little bit dangerous. And this takes you from Pratamnak Hill directly into Pattaya Second Road. We'll come to some traffic lights, and then we'll go into the area where the Indians like to stay on Second Road, which is running just behind Walking Street. So the Indians were one of the first nationalities to come back to Pattaya, so this very quickly got busy. And it's not uncommon to see a group of guys walking in the road, and they're very touchy-feely with each other. That's just their culture and custom. You can see as we approach the main intersection to Second Road, which takes you down on the one-way system to Beach Road, it's getting busy. So here there used to be just one kebab shop on that corner. It was a red fascia, and literally in the last 6 months 2 more have opened. A real agglomeration. If you want a kebab, good place to come. Literally from Pratamnak viewpoint to Royal Garden Plaza. How iconic is that in Pattaya? It's been there for as years I can remember. 5 minutes to get here, and I'm in the heart of Pattaya. Hope you enjoyed that little drive through. I'll bring more to you very soon. Keep safe. Down about Thailand. Wear your helmet when you're on a motorbike. The police are watching.